Hey everybody, PTA Cards here, and today we have 5 Donruss football packs from 2024-2025, and these just came from Target. I don't think they're any different if they're from Walmart or anywhere else. They're just fat packs. So, got 5 of them here. Gonna open them up real quick, see what we get, and without further ado, let's get into it. Got the packs right here. Open them one at a time. You know how it be. Opening packs. All right, so a lot of base. So I'm honestly not even going to say the names. Unless it's somebody notable or interesting picture, something. So, you guys have seen this before. All right, on to Sweat. Eli Manning. Oh, hello, Eli. All right. Williams. Devon Witherspoon. Well, that guy was good a long time ago. Bijan. That guy was good a long time ago. Okay, first blue. Devontae Smith. Okay. Ooh, Lamar. Nice add to my Lamar collection. Tyler Higbee. Okay. All right, now for the interesting stuff. All right, we have a Gridiron Kings of Malik Neighbors. Pretty cool. A little matte texture to it. All right, Talise Fuaga. So let's go ahead and we'll put the vet blues over here. Insert rookies over here. Blue rookies here. Base rookies down here. Yeah, that'll work. And I'm not even going to bother splitting all these up since there's like 6 packs, so or 5. So no battle or nothing like that. It's just what we get. All right, and is the rest base? Maybe? Oh, they really... Yeah. Okay, the rest is base. Well, that might make this go a little bit faster. I'm glad they didn't put the base at the back, or the rookie all the time at the back, so people couldn't just always look at the back and see if there's anything cool. Now, I don't know if there is a downtown or something if it's in the back. I don't know about that. But I've never pulled one, so I don't know. Stephen Davis trying to will into existence saying that. Yep. Guy was good a long time ago. Mr. McDuffie, Mr. Jones, Mr. Jake, Mr. Fullback, Mr. Bass, Mr. Jamar, Jeff Garcia. Jeff Garcia's in this. He is pretty good. I like Jeff Garcia. Cortland Sutton. He was good for a year for a couple teams. What are those guys? Oh, look at that. Dak. Oh, boy. Real winner right there, Mr. Dak. Garrett Wilson. Trevor Lawrence. Okay. Blues. Oh. Okay. Keon Coleman first. Oh, I guess I had one earlier. All right. Probably going to be the best one so far. So an instant. Oh, they put instants in here? Huh. Okay. Interesting. Guess I'll put that there. I don't know. Braylon Allen. Keelan Robinson, probably. Terrion Arnold. Jonathan Mingo. Oh, now we're in base. Oh. The Kid Reporter. Anything else here? No? Huh. Interesting. Got a little spacer and then a Kid Reporter. Did they put that spacer there to protect the Kid Reporter code? If so, that's kind of silly, but... Come on, Stick. Stay together. It's not even that big yet. So yeah, I actually opened that one on screen. Pretty bad at opening packs, honestly. Yeah, let's just do it like this. Let's shuffle to the side till we see, probably till we see blue. Yep, all these dudes. All right. All right, we got a Keyshawn Johnson, a Patrick Queen of the Steelers in a Ravens uniform, a Dawson Knox blue, a Ricky Jackson, okay, and Jatavion Sanders. Oh, look at that. We have a, what is it called? Bomb Squad. Maybe somebody good? Cardinals? Okay. Not bad at all. Nice little Marvin Harrison Jr. on the Bomb Squad. Oh, look at that. Nice little base Drake May. All right, this is definitely the best pack so far. Taj Washington, Joe Alt, and the rest is probably going to be base. It is. All right, two more. See, I did it off screen again. It's just hard for me to open these guys. But I'm figuring it out as I go. Okay, first blue is a Jalen Hurts. Not too bad. No. Jeff Garcia blue. I really want to add to my Jeff Garcia collection. I'm glad this Donruss has helped me out with that. Kamara, Cornelius Johnson, and that's probably it for that pack. You know, lots of dudes in base versions. Look at Bailey Zappi, his little acting like he's good or something. All right, last pack. Let's actually open this one on the screen. I gotta learn to do that. I need to open everything on the screen. Just so people don't think I'm a joke. All right. Here we go. Let's go a little slower through this one. Let's go by one. All right, it's got an Aubrey, Jordan Love, Hollywood Brown, T.J. Hawkinson, Saquon Barkley, Pat Fryermuth, Hufanga, Talana Hufanga. I've heard that name before. Mr. Rippon, Mr. Decker, Brian Burns, Joe Namath. All right, I'm gonna wait till I get to the blue. Oh, that was just a base. Sorry. Okay, now we're at the blues. All right, Yair Alexander, first blue. Second blue is Greg Zuerlein. Oh, a retro series rated rookie. What is this? Okay, look at that. Little retro Bo Nix. That's cool. That's pretty sick. Is that numbered? That is not numbered, but very cool card. Nice. All right, cool. Let's put that here. All right, we got Keelan Robinson. Jeez, I butchered that name. Keelan Robinson, Keon Coleman, Jordan Whittington, Cooley McKinstry, and now we get to all the Gator Porter stuff. Okay, so a little. Oh, sorry, I forgot to put a little Greg Zuerlein in that pile. All right, so that was 5 Donruss set packs, and yeah, it's a little bland. It could definitely be worse. Oh, you know what? I put the Bomb Squad in here. Oh, I started putting. You know what? I started putting the rookies on here. The base rookies on Marvin Harrison and Mr. Neighbors. Sorry about that. Okay. Now let's do a little review real quick. So move that off to the side real quick. So our vet blues go as follows. I believe they're all press proof, blue press proof. Nice little assortment of different vets here. Lamar. I'll put Lamar on the side. I like Lamar. All right, now the rookies. I don't think I really hit on any of these base blues here. Keon Coleman's not bad. And Keon Coleman down here. Okay. All right, base rookies. Whoa! I almost dropped all that. Kool-Aid, Keon. All right, Drake May, you go down here. Ooh. Okay. This Jared Goff, which let's put that somewhere else. You don't need to see Jared Goff. And then these two. This bomb squad of Marvin Harrison Jr., which I like more in football than basketball. I don't know why. Just it makes more sense in football. Having bomb squad. And this Gridiron Kings of Malik Neighbors. Very nice. So these are all the almost best hits. And then the best hit of the 5 packs was this blue rated rookie shock. I don't even retro. I don't know what kind of card this is actually. But it is a nice card. And it saved whatever value I could get out of this rip. So that was 5 Donruss football fat packs. So if you enjoyed this, go ahead, do the usual stuff YouTubers say to do. And this has been PTA Cards. And I will see you guys next time.